everybody? It's your homeboy Muzu coming at you from the dojo. Tonight we're giving you some awesome fights. The first fight that I'm going to be giving you tonight is my Mega Colony deck against Akuma's Raging Form. Yeah, I know he said he was doing Drag Rule, but there was some stuff in the mail, so he has updated the Raging Form. This should be interesting. Let's see if I can survive the double Raging Form. That is right, double Raging Form. Will he get it off? Will he not? We are going to find out tonight, so stay tuned. This is round one. Stand up. Vanguard.
Yay. We're off to a wonderful start.
Yeah. Go. Draw.
Two.
Ride Machining Black Soldier. Attack for 7, your Vanguard.
Nowhere.
Trigger check. No trigger.
No, perfect guards. Yeah.
In turn.
Last bullet dart.
What are the rules on farting? What are the rules on farting?
Call. Call. 9 to your Vanguard.
Yay or nay? Go
As
for
long as we don't call it, then it's fine.
it. Good work, son.
No pass.
Mordred. 14 Vanguard.
No
I
guard.
don't know, son.
No tarantula.
12 Vanguard.
Take that one too. No Armor Beetle.
I got all your grade 2s still in there.
My turn.
Yep. Endo.
Stand and draw. Yep, this is one of those games.
More than
Not using skill
Why not?
because that's not a grade 2. That, however, is.
You're special.
Shut up.
You are.
go, son.
17 there. 15 Vanguard.
No guard.
Behind the Vanguard. Oh,
Kakash is boosted, stunned.
Okay, my turn.
Yep.
Goat.
No, anything but that. Not the goat.
The goat will be your demise.
9.
No, it won't, because I got a Mordred.
Ha-ha!
Really tempted.
The Mordred will still smack you.
Oh, probably.
14.
I'm not entirely sure I care at this point.
Wow. Go.
Mordred's everywhere.
I mean, it's not. We wanted a front row, but I only have 2. 13 Van.
Get 2.
No.
Or I get a form. I'll take a form instead.
This might get stupid.
11 Van.
Block that.
Go.
Okay. Stand and draw. Ride Stag Beetle. Stag Beetle effect.
Plus.
Plus in everywhere, son.
I'm scared if I do person.
Okay. Plus 16 on my Vanguard.
Oh, me.
Not using skill.
You know you're gonna be dick.
Stand. Plus 3.
Okay.
Soul Charge 1. Yeah, it wasn't fair. Gonna go 12 to Vanguard.
No.
Okay. 32 to Vanguard.
Oh, that's a giant number. You can hit me with that.
Feel free. No trigger.
You don't deserve triggers.
Oh, I don't deserve triggers? Oh. Because Kakash boosted the attack.
Nope.
Paralyze. 19 Vanguard.
No.
Oh, you don't want a Raging Form? That doesn't stand.
No.
So what is this, Weiss now?
When you
Yes.
see that facial expression, it's like
Gotta pay 3.
Stand.
Yeah.
you know they're gonna do something later. Yeah. Nope.
What did you plan?
Torrent. Blaster Dart.
Oh no!
Die.
It died.
13 Van.
Get 2?
That wasn't locked.
All effects.
You realize
The fact that you're doing that and it's a girl.
Much confused?
Yeah.
I only have 1. Shut up. 21 crit Vanguard.
that. Weird. I guess I'll take that.
Yeah, I guess
Power,
you will.
stand. Hey!
Oh, you whore.
Oh, what? I'm the whore?
You are the whore. You are the whore in this relationship.
Oh, please. My turn?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Nope.
Wow, that was beautiful. I ride Machining Spark Hercules. Call Machining Red Soldier.
Mm-hmm.
19 there.
Mm-hmm.
17 Vanguard.
Cards in hand?
1.
Okay.
16 to hand.
All effects.
Everybody that they've shown is
Gases effect.
95% of those people.
Stun Rearguard.
5% being that girl.
17 Vanguard.
I don't want to wiggle just because I'm bored.
16 Vanguard.
Yeah, there's
Okay.
like 2%
Okay.
of that.
My turn?
And there's
Yep.
50, no.
You said this can't stand, right?
Correct.
Like that.
Okay.
There was just nothing.
Gonna break ride.
I will break right.
Okay. Okay. What dice?
That dice.
Okay. So now let's see if I can withstand the form of rage.
No, you can't.
Think so?
I'll move you back.
Kill them.
Love you, Van.
Block that.
26, Van.
Not guarding that. Damage check. No, the SP!
Oh, your SP died. Limit break.
I
Yep.
have a question though. Did you see that question was?
What's it? Let me see.
21.
Hey girl, can I come for seeing your feet?
What?
Yes. There. Now I can do it.
Get one.
I am not meant to get triggers.
Guess not.
21, Van.
I will eat the ever-loving shit out of that. My turn?
Mm-hmm.
How many cards in hand?
2, 4, 6.
6? Okay.
Counterblast 1.
Let's find out how this pans out.
Probably not good for me.
You think so?
Yes, I can guarantee this.
Alright. First, I'm going to do 10 rearguard. Attack, limit break. Counterblast 2, paralyze. That's 27, 2 critical to Vanguard.
16.
1.
Okay.
Ow.
No trigger. 17 to Vanguard.
No.
I think I'm okay with this. Not gonna lie.
My savior has arrived.
Yeah, the question is, can you drive check the raging form?
Oh, you...
What have you run out of?
Dark bonds.
Huh?
Dark bonds.
Ha
Dark bond, why?
Yep, I really can't ask what to do.
That's cute.
Okay, I got 3 things to eat. Just gotta check one now.
You just gotta check
I
one?
just gotta check it. I think there's only one left. I gotta check it. 15 Van.
No.
11 Van.
Just to be on the safe side. Quintet Woo! 1, 2,
It's not hitting.
3, 4, 5. Unfortunately, I don't have a choice in that. Mother!
Yes! Limit break!
Appearing on camera, right? Did you read it?
21! No!
No!
Whore! God damn it.
2, 3. Don't you dare! 4. Okay.
2! It is 2. Power!
I swear.
Draw! No! No! No!
That's the power of the quintet wall, son.
No, go! God damn it! No!
Call.
I must live!
Soul Blast 2. Plus 4 to my Vanguard.
Do I have any heals left?
That was actually kind of beautiful. 17 to
I
Vanguard.
found my dark bonds.
You damage checked them,
Yeah.
son.
How much? 15?
17, son.
17?
10
Fuck
ga-
you.
Okay.
No
21 to
bar.
Van.
Let's
Okay.
go.
I don't even
You
care.
fucking bitch. God damn it.
Power?
Last one.
That game was nothing but bullshit.